Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the power tillers. So before going to the today's topic of power tillers, let us briefly discuss what are the things that you have seen in the previous class in the recap. So in last class we have detailedly discussed about the tractors and its attachments. So we have seen about what is a tractor and for what purpose it has been used, their the components, and there are different attachment that can be kept in a tractor for performing different purposes in the agriculture field. So these are the things that you have seen in our last class. So in this class we are going to detailedly discuss about the power tillers. So we are going to see this particular topic in a DD based approach. So in empathy part, these are some pain points. So the first is to difficulty in working small areas. So with the help of tractors, we can work in a very big place like orchards, the agriculture land areas. Where we can access with the help of big tractors, but in small areas it is very difficult to access. So we need a vehicle for accessing that particular small areas, and we need more manpower for agriculture process, and also difficulty in plantation harvesting. So these are some pain points. The first thing is the very main point, pain point that we need to address. So for agriculture purposes, we need a vehicle which is small in size and also will reduce the work time and reduce the manpower, and also favors the middle class farmers. So we need a vehicle to serve all this purpose. Yes, for addressing all these issues, these power tillers can be used. So power tillers, it also called as walking type tractor. It can be driven, or it can be just pulled by. It can be just by walking. Where we can push the tractors for purpose. So different type type we can access this particular vehicle. So this walking type tractor, it is affordable for the middle class farmers to do the agriculture works in their lands. So these are the main components. It includes engine. Uh, Totally, there are two levers. So main clutch, the two types of clutches. So main clutches and the steering clutches, handlebar, and tail wheel adjusting lever. And also it has a provisions for keeping the attachments, wheels, tillage blades, and tail wheel. So these are some main components of this particular power tillers. As we all know, this particular engine power is divided into two in special vehicles. So first is for the movement of the vehicle, and second is for accessing the or for giving the power to the attachment through PTO. Okay. So here from the engine, the power is transferred to the final drive with help of the transmission system. Here it is quite different. Here total there are two types of clutches, main clutches and the steering clutch. So with the help of that particular main clutch, the power has been transmitted to the final unit, and the second thing, the engine power is divided, the second divided power, it is sent to the attachment for accessing the attachment which has been fixed in the power tillers. So the advantages of this particular vehicle includes it is ideal for the small farmers. It is a cost effective one when we compare to the tractors, and also it is easy to operate. And the application part includes it can be used for tilling, the ploughing, weeding, puddling, and in some cases for water pumping, hauling trailers. So for these different purposes, this particular power tillers can be used, and this particular power tillers, it can do all kind of works what the tractor does, but in a small scale level. That's it. So the middle class farmers can easily afford that, and they can use for the agriculture purpose who cannot afford the tractors. So this is the mind map of our topic. So the first we see the purpose and needs, the major components, working principles, the key advantages, and the applications. Yes, before concluding this video, let us summarize the things that you have seen for so far. So we had detailed discussed about the empathy and define part of this particular part tillers, and we have seen what is part tiller and their components, their workings, and their advantages, applications. So these are the things that you had detailed discussed in this video. Yes, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.